producing
From listening to records, I just knew what to do. I mainly taught myself. And, I did pretty well, except there were a few mistakes that I made that I have just recently cleared up. I'd like to just continue to be able to express myself as best as I can on the instrument. I feel like I have a lot of work to do still. I'm a student of the drums. And I'm also a teacher of the drums too.
Assimilating and distributing all he receives slowly until it becomes a part of him.